How's it going, guys? Good morning. This is our new project here. It's a 1962 Schwinn. I think it's either a skipper or a tornado. It's pretty cool. Double twin bar here. This was like the cheapest Schwinn, I guess, that they had for sale at the time. It had very minimal options on it. It's just got a single speed coaster brake. Even the kickstand is not your traditional kickstand for a Schwinn where it has the spring inside and it's all welded to the frame. This is actually more like a modern kickstand where it's bolted up with a clamp. But you know, it's pretty basic. It's got the electro forged head tube. It's got S7 wheels on it. Somebody put a different fork. I think this is off of like a Varsity or something like that. The chain guard's not period correct. Well, it's not the accurate one for this bike, as far as I can tell. But what we're gonna do, this bike belongs to a friend of mine. This was his dad's bike that he used to ride around back in the day at work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just clean it up, service all the bearings, maybe put like a little clear coat on the frame. I think we're gonna paint the fork and chain guard, and just kind of get it cleaned up and running good and smooth, so that my buddy can ride it around and, you know, have some good memories of his dad. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. Stay tuned. All right. Ooh, cheers. This bike, as far as like the wheels go and like the crank and everything, is original, but even like the seat, this is like aftermarket. The bolt, it doesn't have the AS bolt on it. We're not going for like total restoration or, you know, correct. We just want to get it looking nice and working right. Yeah, what are you saying? What are you talking about? Careful, Bubba. If you guys could see, this wheel's pretty mangled. Somebody tried to like beat it straight. So we got another wheel that I got off eBay. Gonna go ahead and put that on here. All right, let's get this wheel off, Papas. Huh? You know what size these are? 9/16. Hold on. Careful, careful. Yeah, gotta be careful. Pinch your fingers. Yeah. Yeah, there's the wheel. Caleb, you fixing it? Are you fixing it, Caleb? You helping Dada fix it? Watch out, baby. Watch out so Daddy can spin this. Are you gonna fix that compressor? You gonna... Hey, you. Whoa, see? There we go. Hey, now you messing with those tools? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a cassette. That's for a cassette. Take off this washer. You got a nut and a washer, and then you got the bearing adjuster here. This stuff is like reverse thread. I know there's a tool for this, I just don't have one. Take these bearings apart, inspect them. Probably haven't been greased in God knows how long. Probably never. Huh, probably never. It's always a little harder when you're trying to do this on camera because you're trying not to block the shot. Hey, are you fixing it? I think he's trying to fix it. You can see that bottom bracket's all full of crusty grease. Got to inspect these bearing cups here. Oh. Hey. Bearings. Can't even see if these are Schwinn bearings. Looks like it is. It looks like it says Schwinn right there. Scrape some of this old nasty grease off of here. Yeah, they are. They say Schwinn right there. We can get this cleaned up. I think we're going to just reuse this chain, clean it up. This is like a peened over master link. I don't know if it's a good idea to break it. Might just leave that on there. Hey, we need our Allen wrenches. These Allen wrenches. What size you think? You think this, what is this? 6 millimeter? It's out here. Let's spray a little WD-40 in here. Oh, that came out easier than expected. Whoa, oh, it's so heavy. Come on, big boy, you got it. Oh, yeah. Thank you, son. Yeah, thank you. Probably should have did this with the wheel on. Whoa, careful. Whoa. Whoa, cool. Okay, here. Go put the wrench back. Oh, big boy, it's heavy. The big heavy wrench. Oh, look at you. 2 hands. 2 hands. Yeah, 2 hands. 2 hands. Hey, let me see that little screwdriver. Mine? No, these are mine. Dad does. One day they might be yours. If you're lucky, you might get all these tools. If you're lucky. You could have my fortune of tools. Alright, go ahead and take that out. I don't know why this is green. That must be what color it was. Oh, these bearings, really old grease. Yeah, babies. Huh? Whoa, how'd you get up there? Careful. Woo, good job. Alright, well here it is. We got it all stripped down. Gonna go ahead and just leave the chain on, clean it up. Like I said, we're just kind of getting this thing all tuned up and serviced. Bearing cups look good. They're not pitted. Bottom bracket cups are good. It's kind of cool. It says here reconditioned. It's kind of hard to read, but it has a little sticker. Reconditioned Palmer's Bike Shop, Visalia. I don't know really what that means, but it's got a cool little down tube decal. Don't know if that is original or not. If you guys are wondering what the serial number is, it's right here. It's like a C119705. C119705. From what I read, this is like a 62 skipper or a Tornado. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up and then start putting it back together. Got to take these wheels apart, clean these up also. Alrighty. Oh, let me show you. Where's that wheel at, Caleb? Where's the other wheel we got? Picked up another wheel on eBay. It's not in the best. Got to clean this up. It's got some rust, but at least this one spins free. And it's got like a brand new Kenda tire on it too, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this dialed in and put on there. Huh? Did we do it? Did we fix it? We're working on it. There we go.